Discover the beauty of the Turkish language. Learn with passion. Grow with knowledge. Turkish Language Academy. Learn Turkish with us.
Turkish suffixes. Ekler. Turkish is an agglutinative language, which means that words are formed by adding suffixes ekler to a root word. Unlike English, Turkish uses suffixes extensively to express meanings such as position, plurality, tense, case, and person. Number 1. What is a suffix? Ek. A suffix or ek is a letter or group of letters added to the end of a word. Examples: Ev means house. Ev plus ler, evler, means houses. Kitab means book. Kitab plus kitabam, my book. Gel means come. Gel plus iyor, geliyor, is coming. Okul means school. Okul plus da, okulda, means at school. Number 2. Plural suffix lar, ler. Plural suffixes are used to make nouns plural. The rule is use lar after back vowels a, o, u. Use ler after front vowel e, i, u. For example, kitap, kitaplar. Çocuk, çocuklar. Ev, evler. Öğrenci, öğrenciler. Sentences: Evler büyük. Evler büyük. The houses are big. Öğrenciler sınıfta. Öğrenciler sınıfta. The students are in the classroom. Number 3. Possessive suffixes. These show ownership. Examples of singular possessive suffixes. For my, we use kitabam. For your, we use kitaban. For his or her, use or so. Kitabo, kitabo. Examples of plural possessive suffixes. For our, we use imiz. For example, kitabımız, kitabımız. For your, plural, we useınız or iniz. For example, kitabınız. For their, we use leri, laro. For example, kitapları, kitapları. Examples: Benim arabam yeni. Benim arabam yeni. My car is new. Senin evin büyük. Senin evin büyük. Your house is big. Onun telefonu pahalı. Onun telefonu pahalı. His or her phone is expensive. Number 4. Case suffixes. Hal ekleri. These indicate the function of a noun in a sentence. Accusative case. A, I, U, shows a definite object. For example, kitabı okuyorum. Kitabı okuyorum. I am reading the book. Arabayı kuruyorum. Arabayı kuruyorum. I see the car. Dative case. A. It means to are two words. For example, okula gidiyorum. Okula gidiyorum. I'm going to school. Eve geliyorum. Eve geliyorum. I'm coming home. Locative case. Da, they. Ta, they. It means in, on, at. For example, evdeyim. Ev, de, yim. Evdeyim. I am at home. Okulda ders var. Okulda ders var. Okulda. Okulda ders var. There is a lesson at school. Ablative case. Dan, then. Tan, then. Means from. For example, evden çıkıyorum. Evden çıkıyorum. Evden. Evden çıkıyorum. I am leaving the house. Ankara'dan geldim. Ankara'dan geldim. Ankara'dan geldim. I came from Ankara. Personal suffixes. These tell us who performs the action. Root verb gelmek, to come. Geliyorum. Geliyorum. I am coming. Geliyorsun. 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 You are coming. Geliyor. Geliyor. He or she is coming. Geliyoruz. Geliyoruz. We are coming. Geliyorsunuz. 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 You are coming. Geliyorlar. 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 They are coming. Number 6. Present continuous suffix. Iyor. It is used for actions happening now. Examples. Çalışıyorum. Çalışıyorum. I am working. Yemek yiyor. Yemek yiyor. He or she is eating. Televizyon izliyoruz. Televizyon izliyoruz. We are watching TV. Number 7. Past tense suffix. The, do. Used for completed actions in the past. For example, gel them. I came. Okudun. You read. Yazdı. He or she wrote. Number 8. Future tense suffix. Acak, used for future actions. For example, yarın geleceğim. I will come tomorrow. Ders çalışacak. He or she will study. Türkiye'ye gideceğiz. We will go to Turkey. Number 9. Question particle. Me, mu. Used to form yes or no questions. For example, Türk müsün? Are you Turkish? Hazır mı? Is he or she ready? Geliyor musun? Are you coming? Important tip. Before learning hundreds of Turkish words, learn the most common suffixes. A single root word can create many new meanings. For example, take a root word ev, house, evler, houses, evim, my house, evimde, in my house, evimden, from my house. Evlerimiz, our houses. Evlerimizde, evlerimizde, in our houses. This ability to build long words using suffixes is one of the most important features of Turkish grammar. I hope you liked today's lesson. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Turkish Language Academy. Thanks for watching. Görüşürüz.